Welcome back to Southern Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm prepping breakfast for the week for my family. We are going to make breakfast muffins. There's a lot of different ways that I make these, but today we're going to do it with a little bit of a Cajun flair and using some good old Conecuh sausage. I've got a pound of Conecuh sausage that I'm going to dice up. I didn't prepare very well and it's hard as a rock, but we're going to cut it anyway. So just dice up your Conecuh. And sometimes, honestly, it does work better just a little bit frozen, but mine is frozen hard as a rock. That's the perfect size. I wonder would it slap? Ooh, let's try to slap it. No, it doesn't slap. No. I've got a little bit of Conecuh that's already thawed in the refrigerator. I wonder if thawed Conecuh will slap. All right, ready? Here we go. Will it slap? Ooh, that slapped. Look at that. Thawed Conecuh is key. Look how beautiful. Oh, I love it. We've got our diced up Conecuh sausage. We're going to add it to a hot skillet, cook it up along with some diced bell pepper and some diced onion. While I love my slap chop, today I'm working smarter, not harder. I'm using already chopped up diced bell pepper. And as luck would have it, I didn't have any already chopped up frozen onions, so I had to cut one up. But I got to slap it. I'm just going to add that in with already some of that diced up sausage that I slap chopped into this pan and cook it all together. Now, to my grandma's vintage Pyrex bowl, I'm going to add about 6 of my farm fresh eggs. Look at how pretty they are, y'all. They're so nice. I'm just going to mix these eggs up real good. To this beaten egg mixture, I'm going to just add a cup-ish of Bisquick. Oh, God, I made a mess. Oh, well. And I'm going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. How much? I don't know. I'm just going to add it until I get tired. That looks good. Give that a good mix and just wait for the other sausage, pepper, onion mixture to get finished, and then we'll add some of that in here as well. So our Conecuh and onion pepper mixture is just about done. I'm going to scoop it, about half of it out. Since I did add some onions and peppers, I'm not going to use it all at one time because I'm going to make another batch to feed my family. And we're going to give that a little mixy mix and then scoop it into some muffin tins. I've already got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So we're going to scoop this in and let it bake. I find that an ice cream scoop gives you just exactly the right amount. All right, these are ready to go into the oven, and I'll be doggone if they don't already look good just the way they are. But we're going to cook them just because. These just came out of the oven. Let's pop them out and put them on a on a plate. I don't know the names of things. To cool. They're perfect, just like me. And this is what they look like. They're hot, just like me. They're actually very tasty. You can put these in the fridge, pop them in the microwave for 10-15 seconds, and you're good to go. As always, these breakfast muffins are brought to you by Southern Mama's Kitchen, and they are made with extra love.